G'day guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Joe Cross. You may know me from my movies Fat, Sick and Nearly Dead 1 and 2 and the kids menu, also from rebootwithjoe.com. Today we're going to talk about some of these myths around juicing. First big myth, what about the protein I hear? Well, I'm here to tell you there's plenty of protein that's in our vegetables and fruits. There's lots of protein out there. If you are doing a reboot that's longer than 15 days, we do suggest that you actually add some protein into your juice. But for just doing normal everyday juicing, you're going to get plenty of protein from your juice. Second myth is sugar. Yes, sugar is an issue if it's sugar on its own, but this sugar that's in our fruits and veggies, this sugar comes packed with millions and millions of different micronutrient, phytonutrient values, enzymes, minerals, just incredible vitamins. What we want to do is stick to our 80-20 rule. We want to have lots of veg and just a couple of pieces of fruit that can balance out and give it a bit of a sweet taste. And if you're new to juicing, you might want to put a little bit more fruit in there. That's okay, just as long as that over time you can bring it back to 80-20. The next myth is, Joe, what about the fiber? Well, guess what? There's tremendous amount of soluble and insoluble fiber in this cucumber. When we put it through our Nama juicer over here, we are extracting out what's called the insoluble fiber, but the soluble fiber, it's trapped inside our green juice. And that soluble fiber, when it goes into our digestive tract, it absorbs all of the water, creates a lovely gel for our food to pass by, and it's excellent prebiotic for our microbiome. So there is plenty of fiber that you're going to get in your juice, and it's going to be what we call soluble fiber, okay? All right, the other big myth about juicing is that can you juice for the rest of your life and never eat food? No, that's not a good idea. You want to add juicing to your normal life if you're not on a reboot, not on a set juice fast, so to speak. Juicing is something that is a great way to incorporate lots of micronutrient dense foods. 9 out of 10 Americans are not getting their quota for fruit and veg in a normal day. Juicing will help supercharge that. It's also a great way to get some kids to have some of those veggies they might not want to taste. Many people I know don't like bell peppers. When I put bell peppers in a juice, I can get absolutely incredible, beautiful looking juice, and people can't even taste the bell peppers. They go, "Where's the bell pepper, Joe?" So it's a lot of great way to masquerade some other veggies. A lot of people don't like eating their kale, but put their kale in the juice. They can't taste it. Cover it up with some lemon or some ginger. Great way of masking some of those tastes. Juicing overall is all about getting that information into your body. I don't look at juicing as getting energy. Energy comes from our carbs, our proteins, our fats. I like to think about our juice being information highway stuff. We're putting that information in so our cells can communicate and do what they're supposed to do. So I hope that helps debunk some of those myths around juicing. If you like this video, click subscribe down below or check us out at rebootwithjoe.com. Until next time, this is Joe Cross signing out with the big juice on.